Hello all, welcome to Live Mechanical Jobs. We have successfully completed 10 videos in our YouTube channel. On this 11th video, I want to give you something special, which is the Google recruitment. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 jobs for which Google is hiring the mechanical engineers around the world. So let's start the video. So I'll be starting this video with 4 internship jobs and 6 experience jobs for which Google is hiring. So the first job is for Technical Program Manager Intern. This is for the location Mountain View, California, USA. The minimum qualification required is a person who is pursuing a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering or any related field. And in here Google is expecting with at least one or more general purpose languaging programs, including but not limited to Java, Python or MATLAB. So if you are interested in this job, just click on apply now. Takes you to their official job description. So the last date to apply to this job is February 10th, 2020. So the participation in this internship program requires that you are located in United States for the duration of internship program. So as seen here, this application is intended for candidates who are eligible for full-time work authorization in the United States upon completion of their education. So let's get to the next. The second job is for Supply Chain and Product Operations Intern for the location China. So the qualification is currently enrolled in MBA or master's degree in electrical, mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering, etc. So the person has to have 3 years of relevant work experience with consumer product or hardware product development and supply chain. Coming to the responsibilities, intern projects will be determined based on the experience, skills and interests of the student. If you are interested in a particular area, please make sure you include it in your resume, so that the Google will be giving you such kind of projects for which you are interested in. So just click on apply now. So it takes you to the job description page. So the last date of this job is February 26, 2021. The process of applying job can be through the sending your resume through this email ID by keeping the subject line as Supply Chain and Product Operations Intern, and this line has to be in the subject field so that your resume will be identified and will be taken to the next process. Or you can also apply through this button here with the normal process of applying to this job. Let's get to the next. The third internship job is for Data Center Technician Intern. This is for location Taiwan, China. The minimum qualification required is who has currently enrolled in bachelor's degree program in mechanical engineering and so on. So kindly go through the description. If you feel you are interested and eligible, then click on apply now. And so the last day to apply to the job is February 19th, 2021. You should be available for intern for a minimum of 10 to 14 weeks in the live location. So to apply, just click on apply button here. So let's get to the next. The fourth job is for Hardware Engineering Intern. This is also for Taiwan, China. The minimum qualification required is currently who are pursuing a degree in computer science, electrical engineering and even mechanical engineering. So a person who is having an experience in ADS, ANSYS and this kind of software knowledge would be helpful in the internship program. So just click on apply now here. So even this is also ends by February 19th, 2021, and this spring internship program will start from March 2021 as a part-time role for around 28 to 30 weeks. So just click on apply button here to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. Now let's start with experience jobs. So the first job is of mechanical manufacturing engineer for the location USA, and they require bachelor's degree in mechanical, electrical or industrial technology, and the person has to have 5 years of metal stamping experience including tool design and construction, debug cost and qualification process. And also a person who has 4 years of experience in manufacturing engineer role can also apply to this job. Kindly have a look at this description, and if you feel you are eligible, click on apply now button. And in here you even have more detailed information about this job and the responsibilities and the location, and the process of applying to this job is by clicking on apply button here. Let's get to the next. The second job is of ECAD automation engineer, for which location is of USA, and they require bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, and a person who has 2 years of experience in skill programming or equivalent as a designer, developer or application engineer are eligible. So kindly go through the description. You will find the link in the below description, and you can apply to this job. And by clicking on apply now, you will have a more detailed description about this job. So in here you just have to click on apply button to apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The third experience job is of product design engineer for Google Nest product, and this is for the location China. They require at least 5 years of experience in consumer electronics, and a person has to speak English fluently, and master's degree in mechanical engineering is required. So in here just click on apply now button. It takes you to the official job site. So in here just go through the deep description about this job, and then just click on apply button here. Let's get to the next. The fourth experience job is of product design engineer for Pixel phones. This is for the location China, and the minimum qualification required is bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and 6 years of product mechanical design experience in handheld consumer electronic products. So having a master's degree in mechanical engineering is preferable, and 10 years of product and mechanical design experience in electronic goods is also preferred, in which here are the minimum qualifications and these are the preferred, but having these qualifications is also okay to apply to this job. So by clicking on apply now button, you get this description. So you can also send your resume to this email ID, for which jobs@google.com, by keeping the subject as product design engineer Pixel phone. You can send your resumes in these formats: PDF, doc version, HTML, and also in a text file. And just click on apply button here, so that you can sign in with your Google email ID and apply to this job. Let's get to the next. The fifth experience job is of senior structural simulation engineer. This is for the location California, USA, and the person has to have master's degree in mechanical engineering and 5 years of industry experience with structural simulation software. Experience setting up both material lab and development of validation tools is also preferable. And coming to the preferred qualifications, 8 years of structural simulation experience in consumer electronics industry would be preferred. And coming down, you will be seeing the responsibilities of what you will be handling after joining in this organization. So kindly have a look into this. You will find this link in the description below. So you can all, by clicking on apply now, you will have even more detailed description about this job. And then here just click on apply button to apply to this job. So let's get to the next. The sixth experience job is of sensor hardware engineer for Google Nest product. This is for also Taiwan, China. And minimum qualifications required is bachelor's degree in electrical, mechanical, mechatronics, and 2 years of experience with sensor design, integration, and lab work are the minimum qualification to apply this job. And coming to the preferred qualifications, experience programming in Python or experience programming in C, low level drivers for sensors to support data logging. So these are the kind of preferred qualifications for which Google is expecting. And just click on apply button here. So in here you can just click on apply button to apply to this job. By this, the Google recruitment has been finished by here, and now as a bonus jobs I'll be showing you 3 more jobs of different organizations. So coming to the first one of it is for mechanical engineer intern. This is for the location United States, from the company Cisco. So they require interns who are pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in mechanical engineering. And kindly have a look into this description and just click on apply now. So it takes you to the process of applying to this job. Let's get to the next. The second bonus job is for component engineer, and for the location Thane, Maharashtra. They require 2+ years experience candidates and who are into preparing of 3D models, drawing, and core frame assembly and kind of descriptions they require. So kindly apply by clicking on here. So this is the official job posting of this organization, Siemens, and you will find the link in the description below. Let's get to the next. The last job offer this series is for junior mechanical engineer for the location Hyderabad, India, and this is for the company X Machines, and they are looking for an extremely smart and talented person to fill this position of junior mechanical engineer to work with passionate and innovative team. And the person must have hands-on experience in CAD and sheet metal design. And just click on apply now, and in here you can fill the details and attach your resume. You will also find the email address of the HR in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video until here, and I request you to subscribe to this channel for more mechanical engineering job updates. Thank you.